G'day folks, Adam here from Rusland Foundry. Today we're having a look at our Ffestiniog based Jinker wagon in 7/8 scale, modelled here on the front of my AccuCraft Bagnall. On to the kit itself. So the kit contains the main body of the wagon, which is a single print. And as per all of my 2-axle wagon kits, we have our link and pin couplers, our 4-axle boxes, and our 2 dumb buffers. You choose the coupling you require. So extra to that, we have our cross beam, which in this case is designed to take a piece of code 332 rail. We'll come back to that in a minute. And a filler panel. We'll come back to that in a minute too. Our assembly is very much the same as any other of our 2-axle wagons. I'll just set that to one side. So we take our piece as is. You'd take all these parts out and paint them your chosen livery before any finishing work starts. On top of the kit we require our glue, whatever it is you choose. Today I've got Tarzan's grip, because it's what I could get at the shop. And that's about it. You also require your wheel sets. Now in this case I'm using a set of stainless steel train department wheels. I can supply 3D printed wheels with these kits if required. So as per any other of my 4-wheel wagon kits, you want to put a bead of glue across these keyways. Grab 2 of our axle boxes, and drop them into the keys. Of course, it's poorly balanced, so it'll lean over. I just run these stainless steel shafts in the plastic, and I've had wagons doing 20 kilometres a year, several years on my exhibition layout with no reliability issues. Next, we then put our glue in our socket and put either our link and pin, which of course won't sit with no glue, or our dumb buffer, depending on your preference. Seeing as none of that is glued, I'm just going to sit it to one side. Okay, our log cradle consists of a crossbar. I'm using some lengths of brass code 332 rail. That's my standard line as offcuts. I can make this in different versions if you have another suggestion, and I'm open to hearing them. And that simply goes into that rail profile. You may want to press it down on a bench, and it is a interference fit. There we go. Push through to flush. I would then put a bead of glue on that. Obviously repeat on that side. Also in your kit comes a single 3/16 bolt. This is just one I had. I'll supply shorter ones with kits. That goes in there. It's got a nice recess. And as this is a prototype, the production model has a slightly smaller hole here. So you would screw that screw into the body. And we will swap over to the painted one. Now, removing that, as you can see, nice and free, allowing it to traverse corners. The purpose of these is they sit on like so, allowing you to glue a load to those and have it removable from the jinkers, basically using them as a log disconnect if your item you want to transport is longer than the coupled length of the consist. And that will take the pull strain and keep everything nicely aligned. I can also supply more than one set of these for your wagon if you want to have multiple loads. And that's it. A very simple little kit for tonight. And I hope you've enjoyed. If you have and found this of any interest, please consider like, subscribe, follow, all that. These kits are available on our Facebook page going forward. And catch you on the next one.